Today lesson is 7.3 application of the dot product. So looking at the first question. The wheelchair, you push it 300 meter up to the ramp with a constant force of 500. You apply this for the angle of 30 to the surface. If I want to make a picture of that question, so this is the ramp, so this is the object. You apply the force. Apply the force of the 500, which is 30 degrees to the surface. Also, I know the displacement gonna be here. Displacement gonna be 300 meter up to the ramp. So the work I know is gonna be what? Force dotted to displacement. Both of that is a vector. I know the dot product between the force and displacement gonna be work, and I know work is gonna be what? Not a vector. So force is gonna be the magnitude of the force multiplied by the magnitude of the displacement multiplied by the cosine of the angle between them. So magnitude of the force is 500. Magnitude of displacement is going to be 300 meter. So this is Newton, this is meter. Cosine of the angle between them, which is 30. If you put that in a calculator, you'll get 129,904. The unit of that is Newton meter. Newton meter is the same as joule. Okay? So next question is example 2. Determine the angle between the two vectors. Okay. I know that if I have the u, it is u1, u2, and the v is v1, v2. I know that u dot v is going to be what? u1, v1 plus u2, v2. Also, another way to find the dot product, u dot v is equal to what? U multiplied by the v cosine theta. These two are the same thing. If I equal them to each other, vu is equal to vu cosine theta equal to u1 v1 u2 v2 rearrange it for cosine theta. It's gonna be u1 v1 plus u2 v2 divided by magnitude of the v, magnitude of the u. So this is how I find the angle between the two vectors. Now looking at the questions, my vector is g, 5, 1 and negative 3, 8. So what I do, I know the cosine theta, cosine of the angle between two vectors, is a dot product of these two, which is 5 multiplied by negative 3 plus 8 multiplied by 1 divided by the magnitude of the g, gonna be 5 power 2 plus 1 power 2. This one is negative 3 power 2 plus 8 power 2. So cosine of the theta is gonna be equal to negative 7 over square root of 26, the square root of 73. So theta gonna be cosine inverse of this. So you use your calculator. So you find the angle gonna be 99.246. That's the angle. So this is another question, so they would be the same. Cosine of the theta gonna be s dotted to that, so it's negative 3 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 2 divided by the magnitude, negative 3 power 2 plus 6 power 2, and here multiply by 4 power 2 plus 2 power 2. So cosine of the theta, so in numerator we have 0, square root of 45, square root of 20. So it's equal to 0, basically. And you need to know cosine of the what angle gonna be 0? Cosine of the 90 degree gonna be 0. So this is this example. Okay, next question. Find the projection of the V on U. Then the angle between them is gonna be acute angle. So I'm just gonna draw something for you here. So this is V. Let's say this is U. The projection of the V on U, I'm just gonna mirror that. So it's gonna be this. It's gonna be projection of the V on U. I already write that. If the angle between them is theta. So I want to find that, right? I know that, let's say just call it X. I know that the cosine of the theta is going to be what? X over the magnitude of the V. Therefore, X is going to be V cosine theta. So projection of V on U then is equal to magnitude of the V cosine of the theta. There is other equation I can get from here. So this is kind of the magnitude of that, right? But how about the direction? I know the direction is going to be in the direction of the U. So I know that the unit vector in direction of U is what? The U divided by the magnitude of the U, right? So this give me a unit vector in the direction of the U. Unit vector means the magnitude of this vector is going to be 1, and the direction of this vector is going to be in the direction of the U. So since projection of the V on U, I have this one to be what? V cosine theta. But what is the direction? Direction going to be this. It's going to be in the direction of the U. Again, see that? This is a projection, and this projection going to be in the direction of the U. So that's why I need to mention the direction of the U is going to be U divided by U. Now, if you look at this, what do you get? So see this in numerator, we have what?